Hello everybody, welcome to episode 2 of Make a Website for Free series. Last video we talked about how to get a free domain and link it to your CloudFlare account. If you haven't already watched that video, I definitely recommend you go ahead and watch it. In this video, I'm going to explain how to choose a host that fits your needs and set it up. Anyways, without further ado, let's get started. The first thing you're gonna wanna do is find a suitable host. If you do a quick search in Google, you can see that there are a ton of free hosting providers. To find the one that fits you, you have to know what you need. If you want a small business site, choose one with high uptime and normal bandwidth. You won't need much bandwidth for this type of site. If you're a startup developer, choose one with capabilities such as SSH, PHP, and anything a basic developer would need. If you just want a landing page, you can really choose almost any hosting provider, as almost all match this need. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to connect to a hosting provider named InfinityFree. I think it's a great hosting provider. The first step you're gonna wanna do is make an account. To do this, head over to infinityfree.net, look at the top right and click on register. You will have to fill in your info and verify your email. So again, I'm going to skip this step. Once you're in your dashboard, you will have to create a new account for your website. Just click Create New Account. If you followed my tutorial on getting a free domain, we will just have to add some nameservers to our registrar, Freenom. Don't worry, this is just to set up the domain. I'm going to show you how to switch back to CloudFlare in this tutorial. If you didn't follow my last tutorial, this will be different. The following only applies to people who followed the first episode in this series. Anyways, for people who did, here's what you have to do. Head over to freenom.com, sign in, and click on Services. Then click on My Domains. You should see your domain there. Click on Manage Domain. Once you get to the next page, click on Management Tools and then on Nameservers. You should already have the option to use custom nameservers checked. If you don't, just check it. Remove all text already entered, if applies. And then click on the first box and type ns1.epc.com. That's ns1.epiczy.com. And then the second box type ns2.epc.com. Then click Nameservers. After you did that, don't close the page because we're gonna need it later. Wait a couple of minutes and head back to the page you were making the website's account in. Type in your domain and use your own domain. Then check the CAPTCHA box and click Create New Account. If you have no errors, then you're good to go. I'm not gonna cover what to put on your site in this episode, but be sure to stay tuned on this series to see how. Now we're gonna change back to CloudFlare. Head back to the nameserver site and click on Management Tools, then Nameservers, and change your nameservers back to hall.ns.cloudflare.com and melinda.ns.cloudflare.com. Done, change nameservers and you're done. Anyways, that's the end of this episode. If you enjoyed it and or found it helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to be the first to get my new content. Also, if you have any doubts, feel free to leave them down in the comment section and I will do my best to reply to them. Stay tuned for more episodes and content of this type.